Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Verbora English, where we make learning English simple and enjoyable. My name is Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. I am Mike. I am so excited to be here today.
It is lovely to see you, Mike. You seem very cheerful today. What is making you so happy?
Well, Sarah, I am thinking about something exciting. The new year is coming very soon.
Yes, you are right. The new year is almost here. Time goes so quickly, doesn't it?
It really does. I feel like this year just started yesterday, but now it is ending.
I know exactly what you mean. The days turn into weeks, and the weeks turn into months. Suddenly, the year is finished.
It is amazing and a little scary, too.
Well, Mike, today we have a perfect topic for you and for all our listeners.
Oh, I love when you say that. What are we talking about today?
Today, we are going to learn how to plan your new year. We will talk about making goals and getting ready for a fresh start.
Wow, that sounds wonderful. I need help with planning. I am terrible at it.
Don't worry, Mike. Many people find planning difficult, but we will make it easy today.
Good. I want to be more organized next year. This year was a little chaotic for me.
Chaotic means messy or without order. That is a good word to learn.
Yes, my life was chaotic. Papers everywhere, forgotten appointments. It was not good.
Well, after today's episode, you will be ready. You will have all the tools you need.
I cannot wait. But Sarah, before we begin,
Yes, Mike?
we should ask our listeners for some help.
You are absolutely right. Dear listeners, if you enjoy our conversations, please press the like button right now. It really helps our channel grow.
Yes, and please subscribe to Verbora English. We make new videos every week to help you improve your English.
And share this video with someone you know, maybe a friend who also wants to learn English. You can practice together.
That is a beautiful idea. Learning with a friend is always better. Okay, Sarah, I am ready. Teach me how to plan my new year.
All right, Mike. Let's start with the first and most important step. Before you plan the future, you must understand the past.
The past? But I want to forget the past. I want to look forward.
I understand, but looking back helps us learn. We call this reflection. It means thinking carefully about what happened.
Reflection? Like when you look in water and see your face?
Yes, similar idea. You look at yourself. You look at your year. You ask questions.
What kind of questions?
You ask, what made me happy this year? What did I do well? What am I proud of?
Oh, I see. I think about the good moments.
Exactly. These good moments are called achievements or successes. Even small ones are important.
Okay, let me think. This year I learned to make bread at home. I am very proud of that.
That is wonderful, Mike. Homemade bread is delicious. That is definitely an achievement.
And I also saved some money. Not a lot, but some.
Perfect. You see, when you think about it, you did good things. Write these down in a list.
Write them down. Okay, I can do that. What else do I think about?
You also think about the difficult moments. What was hard? What made you sad or stressed?
Oh, I don't like thinking about that.
I know, it is not fun, but it helps you grow. You learn what to avoid next year.
That makes sense. This year I worked too much. I was very tired all the time.
Good observation. Now you know. Next year, you need more rest. You need balance.
Balance, yes, I need that. Okay, so step 1 is reflection. Think about good things and hard things.
Exactly right. Now, step 2 is about dreams.
Dreams? Like when I sleep?
No, not sleeping dreams. I mean your wishes, your hopes. What do you want in your life?
Oh, I want many things. I want a new car, I want to travel, I want to learn Spanish, I want to run a marathon.
Stop. Mike, this is the problem many people have.
What problem?
Too many goals. When you want everything, you get nothing.
Really? But I want all of those things.
I believe you, but you cannot do everything at once. You must choose. Pick 1 or 2 main goals.
Only 1 or 2? That is hard.
Yes, but it is necessary. Think about what is most important right now in your life.
I think health is most important. I want to feel strong and have energy.
Beautiful. Health is a fantastic goal. Now, write it down. Make it your number one focus.
Okay, health is my main goal for next year.
Now, we need to make it specific. What does health mean to you?
I guess it means exercising more and eating better food.
Good, but be more specific. How many times will you exercise each week?
Maybe 3 times a week?
Perfect. And what kind of exercise?
I like walking. Maybe I will walk for 30 minutes 3 times a week.
Excellent. Now that is a real plan. It is clear, it is simple, you can actually do it.
I see. Don't say, be healthy. Say, walk 30 minutes 3 times a week.
Exactly. Specific goals are easier to follow. This is very important.
Okay, I understand step 2, choose one main goal and make it specific. What is next?
Step 3 is about time. We need to organize the months and weeks.
You mean like a calendar?
Yes, exactly. A calendar is your best friend for planning.
I have a calendar on my phone. I never use it.
Well, it is time to start using it. You can use a phone calendar or a paper calendar. Some people like to see the whole month on paper.
My grandmother has a big calendar on her wall. She writes everything on it.
Your grandmother is very wise. When you write things down, you remember them better.
What should I write on my calendar?
First, write all the important dates, birthdays of your family and friends, anniversaries, holidays.
Oh, that is smart. I always forget my mother's birthday. She gets upset with me.
Yes, that is not good. Put it in the calendar now. Then you will never forget.
Okay, I am making a mental note. Write Mom's birthday.
Also, write your goals on the calendar. If you want to walk 3 times a week, put it on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Oh, I see. So it becomes an appointment with myself.
Yes, exactly. Treat your goal like a meeting. You cannot cancel a meeting.
That is clever. I like that idea.
And one more thing, plan some fun activities too.
Fun activities? Like what?
Like a trip with friends, a movie night, a picnic in the park, anything that makes you happy.
Oh, I want to go to the mountains next spring. I can write that down.
Yes, when you write it, you commit to it. It becomes real.
I feel more organized already. What is step 4?
Step 4 is about words. Have you heard of a word of the year?
Word of the year. No, what is that?
It is one single word that describes how you want to feel or live next year.
Just one word? For the whole year?
Yes, it is like a theme, a message to yourself. You remember this word when life gets difficult.
Can you give me an example?
Of course, some popular words are growth, peace, adventure, courage, joy, focus.
Oh, I like those. They're powerful words.
Yes, they are. My word for next year is balance.
Balance. Why balance?
Because I want balance between work and rest, balance between busy and calm. I don't want to be too extreme.
That is beautiful, Sarah. Let me think about mine.
Take your time. It should feel right in your heart.
I think my word is energy.
Energy, I love it. Why energy?
Because I want more energy. Energy to work, energy to play, energy to learn. I was tired this year. Next year, I want energy.
That is perfect, Mike. When you feel lazy, remember your word. Say to yourself, my word is energy. Get up and move.
Yes, I will do that. This is very helpful.
Now, Mike, we are an English learning channel, so let's talk about planning your English studies.
Oh, yes, good idea. How can our listeners plan their English learning?
The same rules apply. Be specific. Don't say, I will be fluent in English.
Why not? Being fluent sounds good.
It is a nice dream, but it is not specific. It is too big. You need small, clear steps.
What are some small steps?
You can say, I will watch 1 English video every day, or I will learn 10 new words every week.
Oh, I see. Those are small and easy to do.
Yes, Small habits create big changes over time.
If you learn 10 words every week, that is more than 500 words in 1 year.
Exactly. See how powerful small steps are?
That is amazing. What other English habits can people do?
They can listen to English podcasts while walking. They can read simple English books. They can talk to themselves in English in the mirror.
Talk to yourself in the mirror. That sounds funny.
It is a little funny, but it works. You practice speaking without feeling shy.
I will try that. Hello, Mike. How are you today? I am fine, thank you.
Perfect. You see, it is easy.
This was very helpful, Sarah. Can we review everything for our listeners?
Of course. Let's go through the steps again. Step 1, reflection. Look back at your year. Think about good moments and difficult moments.
Step 2. Choose 1 or 2 main goals. Make them specific. Don't say be healthy. Say walk 30 minutes 3 times a week.
Step 3, use a calendar. Write important dates and schedule your goals. Make appointments with yourself.
Step 4. Choose a word of the year. One powerful word that guides you.
And finally, plan your English learning with small daily or weekly habits.
This is such great advice. I feel ready for next year now.
I am glad, Mike, and I hope all our listeners feel ready too.
Remember, friends, a new year is a new chance, a fresh start. You can do anything.
Yes, believe in yourself. Take small steps every day. You will see big results.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you. In the comments below, please tell us, what is your word of the year?
Is it love? Is it money? Is it health? Is it adventure?
Tell us your word. We love reading your comments. They inspire us so much.
And please remember to subscribe to Verbora English if you are new here. We make new lessons every week.
Share this video with your friends and family. Help them plan their new year too.
Thank you so much for watching today. It was wonderful to talk with you.
Yes, thank you everyone. We appreciate you being here with us.
Have a wonderful new year. May all your dreams come true.
Goodbye everyone. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye. Take care and happy planning.